Hello everyone and welcome to another daily pack opening. I have 3 more packs of EX Hidden Legends to open up today, and then I have 2 packs left after that. So, let's see here if I can get them to open it all. I ended up pulling all duplicate, at least for me, duplicate reverse hollows yesterday, so hopefully I can get some different ones this time. Jigglypuff, Zubat, Staryu, Totodile, Chinchou, Rhydon, Metang, Reverse Clamperl, which I also have, so that'll be a duplicate for me. So it'll be up for trade. And Huntail Rare. I don't think I have that one. It's a very interesting Pokemon to say the least. Alright, next pack. Oddish, Machop, Surskit, Chikorita, Whismur, Metang, Gloom, oh very cute, I like that Claydol one, a reverse Feebas, which I don't think I have, I'm not 100% sure, and I see something good back there. Awesome, I absolutely love Vileplume, so this is an epic pull for me. Really like this Vileplume, kind of a view from the bottom up. I don't necessarily usually like the computerized kind of drawings like this one, but I actually really like this one. I can't even explain why. Maybe it's because it's Vileplume, but that is really, really cool, and it's great to finally pull an EX from this set. So that's the first EX I've pulled from this set, and it's a Vileplume. How awesome is that? And last pack for today. Meditite, Feebas, Surskit, Shuppet, Machop, Nuzleaf, Metang, a reverse Walrein rare, which I know I don't have, so that'll be a different reverse there. Let's see if I can show you. See the little water symbol down there? That's also reverse. Really cool. And awesome! How weird is that to get two EXs in a row, and this one is Regirock EX. It's very interesting because, as you can see, it's like a crystal shard kind of hollow, which is a little different than this Vileplume EX, which I gotta say I like the Vileplume EX hollow more, but I think this crystal shard kind of hollow really fits the Regirock because it looks like pieces of rock everywhere. So that is really cool. So how awesome is that? 2 EXs in a row. So these were some really good packs, clearly. And that is awesome. Definitely be adding those to my collection. I do still have 1 loose pack and 1 pack in a blister, also got from the same seller, that I will be opening probably tomorrow. I'm not really sure what I'll open up with it, since I usually do the 3 packs, but I'll find something, I'm sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this opening as much as I did. I mean, really, really awesome pulls. Really happy with that. One of my favorite Pokemon is Vileplume, so that is awesome. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the daily pack opening. Make sure you subscribe and you stay tuned tomorrow, where I will continue opening up some more packs for you guys. Thanks for watching.